Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening DevTools and moving straight to the Sources panel so you can see the exact file running. Once there, find the script via the file tree or Command+P and click a line number to set a breakpoint. That pause lets you inspect variables and call stack. Make sure to run the action that triggers the script so Chrome hits the breakpoint. This immediate pause shows you how the code flows at runtime, which is faster than guessing with console logs. Once you have a basic breakpoint working, refine it. Right-click a line number to add a conditional breakpoint so execution only pauses when your expression is true. This reduces noise and targets edge cases. Also enable Event Listener or DOM breakpoints to catch UI-triggered code, and add XHR/fetch breakpoints to halt on async network callbacks. Make sure to watch scopes and add watch expressions. Stepping controls let you step into, over, or out to follow nested calls precisely and understand context. To finish, use resume and the step controls to advance through code and confirm behavior after you change variables or fix logic. Make sure to remove or disable old breakpoints in the Breakpoints pane so future runs aren't interrupted, and save any edits back to files if you're using workspaces. If Chrome never pauses where expected, double-check source maps and that you're editing the same file the browser loads. Clear cache and enable source mapping to resolve mismatches. This one check fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.